Use the Court Booking Type program to set up different types of bookings that can be made for each of the different court types that you offer. Examples can include doubles indoor, singles indoor, doubles outdoor, singles outdoor, league, etc. The different booking types allow for the setup of particular rules associated with a booking type. Select the New button to create a new booking type, or select an existing booking type to review or make edits to it. In the General tab, enter a description with a max of 35 characters. Select the court type associated with this booking type. To determine the display order of this booking type on screens where bookings can take place, enter a number in the Display Order field. For example, if you enter 1, this booking type will be the first in the list of options to be selected. You can change the default appointment block color by selecting the appointment block color box. Ensure the active field is flagged so that this booking type can be used. In the Options tab, Booking Details Options section, you can restrict the number of players that must be booked for this booking type using the Minimum Players field, and to limit the number of players that can be booked for this booking type using the Maximum Players field. Use the Maximum Time Slots field to limit the maximum number of time slots that can be booked for this booking type. Use the Requires Instructor drop-down to determine whether this booking type requires an instructor. In the Billing Options section, select the Charge Per Client field if you wish to charge per client as opposed to per booking for billing purposes. Select the Override POS Items field and use the Court Type Charges button to override the court type settings for POS charges for this booking type. In the Override Court Charges screen, right-click on the left side of the screen and select Add New Date Range. Then enter the from and to dates to determine when the product sale will be applicable. Click and drag to define a time range on a given date. Then select the Allowed button to add the schedule range. This will set the hours for the defined range. You can also utilize the right-click options, including to copy and paste time ranges. The product sale will only be allowed during the selected hours. Select the time range on any of the day columns. On the selected POS items part of the screen, you can right-click and add new item. Select the POS item, i.e. product, in the description column. The code, retail price, member price, and total member columns get auto-populated based on what is entered in the Sales Items program. Select the quantity of the product using the quantity column. Select Fixed if you wish to charge for the POS item only once, regardless of the number of time slots. If this field is not selected, the POS item will be charged per time slot. Select the red X to close out of the window. If your club utilizes online court bookings, in the Web Options section, you can define whether the bookings under this type can be made on the web using the Available for Web Booking field. You can also define whether you would like to display booking information online, which will display player names online. If not checked, the booking block will display blocked instead, with no player names. Once you have configured the settings for the booking type, select Save, and repeat this process to set up any additional booking types that are required. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more how-to videos, and don't forget to subscribe.